Figbers, how you're growing your figs today? I want to show you a really cool fig. That's my mom's word. No, stop. Cool is what mommy says all the time. What should we say?
It's okay lah. Even I say cool fig. Then one day, hey, this video's playing. Let me just pause it.
Fantastic.
Like one day for 3 videos I said I love it about it. I just love that about it. I love this fig. I love 3 times.
Stop. Try 3. No 4. 1, 2. Sup Figbers, how you growing your figs today? Today I want to show you a fantastic fig Parachal Ramada. Ta-da! Now, as you can see, the external color is... Are you getting my slippers? It's fantastic.
I did.
Wait, I'm not getting my slippers, man.
Okay.
It does not go on the slippers. Last video, alright? We got all the words right. Ready?
Sup figures!
I didn't say figures, Figbers.
Figures! You gonna make it sound more?
Hello,
See, if that was a real video, we'd hear a fart. It's like, hello, fart figures! Okay, go.
Sup.
Okay.
Is that right? I'll be starting like that, like facing
There.
because I can't like this.
Okay!
Sorry.
3, 2, 1, rolling.
Sup Figbers, how you growing your figs today? I want to show you...
Steven, you know how hard it is to do this.
Steven, do that again, okay? Ready? 1.
3, 2, 1.
Sup Figbers, how you growing your figs today? I want to show you a fantastic fig in our garden that just got ripe. Parachal Ramada. Ta-da! As you can see, the external color is dark, blackish purple. And it is a rare Spanish variety. So, hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? And just now, when my brother was removing the net from the fig, he got some of the sugar on his hand. He licked it and said it was just like honey. Although it's said to have a very, very light taste, the aftertaste. That's all for today.